Conde fam? Welcome back to our channel. Why is this in there? What is up, Conde fam? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new, welcome to our channel. And today, you guys, I'm taking you to Walmart. It is the same day as the last day. I don't know. I'm in the same clothes always, so who knows these days. But I'm taking you guys to Walmart to go shopping. So come along with us. got at Walmart, and we got some really good summer finds, you guys. So first thing we got is this light up beanbag toss, and I think this will be perfect for the summer, especially because it's so hot here and we can only come out at night. So this is really cool. Found these two towel dresses for after the pool. They are going to be perfect, and we have a Little Mermaid and a Frozen theme. We got the game Bop It because Bop It is just so fun.
Solo.
Can't go wrong with Bop It.
Wow.
I got me a 5-zipper waist trainer, and I don't know how it's going to do, but let's give it a shot, right? And hubby got a massage stick roller. We literally have a collection of different massagers, and this one just kind of like, that's this one. I have a surge protector. This is kind of just like for the outlets, and yeah, that's that. And the last thing that we got were these plates. I got one of all that they had, and they had a unicorn plate, a bear plate, and a lion. These were like 88 cents or $1, I'm not sure. And that is it for my haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite item was. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And we will see you soon for a new video. Bye!